The interdisciplinary research of neuroscience and education brings opportunities to boost learning and address issues holistically. By leveraging the biological insights from neuroscience, educators can develop teaching methods that align with the brain's natural learning patterns, enhancing cognitive engagement and retention. This synergy also allows for more learner-centered learning, highlighting the importance of individual differences in brain development and learning needs, paving the way for age-appropriate, personalized instruction. Furthermore, interdisciplinary research provides a foundation for pedagogical interventions for learners with learning disorders, such as dyslexia and ADHD, allowing educators to use evidence-based methods to support these learners effectively. This video was created to support the research titled Neuroscience Contribution to Learning. Anatomy, brain structures. What is the role of the brain? The brain is a very complex organ. It controls every process involved in regulating the human body. It controls memory, thoughts, emotions, motor skills, breathing, body temperature, touch, and many more bodily processes. I am going to talk about 5 parts of the brain: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe, and cerebellum. The frontal lobe controls important cognitive skills such as judgment, speech, learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and memory. Each side of the frontal lobe controls voluntary muscle movements on the opposite side of the body. The parietal lobe organizes sensory information from various body parts. It processes sensations such as touch, temperature, and pain, which gives us self-perception. The parietal lobe also allows us to make controlled, precise movements such as writing. It gives us location awareness, so we understand where items are located in relation to ourselves and to categorize linked items, for example, apples and bananas as items of fruit. The occipital lobe helps us recognize and understand what we see by processing visual information from our eyes. The occipital lobe helps you identify shapes, colors, movement, places, and faces. It also provides us with depth perception and understanding 3D space. The temporal lobe is linked with memory and recalling past experiences. It also helps us understand the meaning of words and linking words to objects. The temporal lobe is key in processing emotions and how we feel about situations. It is essential in alerting us when we feel in danger. It also plays a role in processing sensory signals like sight and sound. The cerebellum coordinates movement and helps us maintain balance. It plays a key role in muscle actions, which are essential for any movement from picking something up from the floor to walking, playing sports, and learning to play a musical instrument. The cerebellum controls eye movement, for example, when you're watching TV or tracking an object with your eyes. Before closing, let me tell you about interesting brain facts. The brain triples in size during the first year of life and stops growing at the age of 18. The largest brain on Earth belongs to a sperm whale and weighs 20 pounds. An adult brain produces enough power to light a 25-watt light bulb. A massive 75% of the brain is made up of water. Thank you for watching.